Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katia Valino. Thank you so much. If this is your first time, click that subscribe button to subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about head wrap. It's going to be a very small tutorial and we're only going to be using this one piece here to teach you 3 easy steps that you can tie your hair wrap. You don't have to be an African woman, a Caribbean woman, a black woman to really know how to tie the hair wrap. The less complicated they are, the more easier it is for everybody to wrap up their hair. So this one right here, I'm going to take it off so that we can start all over. Yes, so it's a small piece of cloth, and then you're gonna turn it, and then you're gonna fold it over this way, and then you bring it this way in your front here. So that's what the back looks like. And just bring it to the side. The same way you fold it from this way. Guys, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this it's very easy tutorial how to wrap up your hair. And you guys know that I love wrapping up my hair. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Bye.